Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exams Cluster. Thank you for the last time video watching and subscription and comment posted thereupon. In this video we are going to discuss about the AIBE 16 examination and what are allowed to take in the examination hall. That is, which kind of material we can take it in the examination hall in order to attempt the paper. Here we can see that in the recent notification given by the AIBE examination, it is mentioned that this is to notify that AIBE 16 onwards, no books, notes or study material will be allowed in the examination hall. Candidates can only carry bare acts without notes. That means from now onwards, from AIBE 16 onwards, all the students who are appearing for the examination, who are the people who are going to appear in the examination, are not required, are not allowed to take any study notes, any books, any study material in the examination hall except the bare acts. So now people are in the confusion that how to clear the examination with the bare acts only. So this is a very typical things because only the bare act does not sometimes contain all the question answers which we are going to attempt for the in order to clear the AIBE exam. But as the notification has come on AIBE website, so we have to comply with them, and now it will be properly checked upon. Last time also it was mentioned that only the bare acts was allowed, and but study material specifically it was nowhere mentioned that you cannot carry the study materials, notes or something like that. As bare acts, a person has to carefully go through in all the bare act where are the answers hidden for each and every question. So in the next video, which will going to be uploaded soon, I will clarify how to look the bare acts and how to find the answers for all the questions, after which you can clear the examination AIBE exam with minimum 60-70 percentage. That means if you can refer only the bare acts and without wasting much time, you can get minimum 60 to 70 marks only referring the bare acts, and by giving the examination only taking the bare acts along with you without any study notes, without any study material or notes. So which will going to be uploaded soon on this channel. But before that, I would like to request all my viewers that in case if you want any clarification, anything, any video specific, then you can mention in the comment box and I will be uploading the video on those topics, those things in order to clarify. And also I request to continue staying on this channel and keep subscribing and watching the videos in order to get to know how to clear the AIBE 16 onwards exam with short tricks and only by referring the bare acts, and how to minimize the time by getting the answers only through the bare acts and without going into the deep. Even a normal person who has a normal knowledge, who has done their LLB and has not acquainted with much facts, can also attempt minimum 60 to 70 right answers out of the 100 questions and can clear this exam without the much hard work. And the same will be obviously I'll be uploading, I'll be telling you the tricks, the reasons, how to look, how to clarify your doubts, how to take out the answer, because in all the multiple choice question, one benefit is with the students, with the people appearing in the exam, is that you have to filter out how to filter out the correct option, because normally when whosoever have studied the law are able to at least analyze that out of 4 answers they 2 answers are most of the near about answers, and rest 2 are or not correct. So out of those 2 you have to check the correct one, though there is no negative marking, but then also in order to clarify the exam we have to be very specific in giving the answers, because it is not about the attempting the paper, it is about the clearing the paper, because every time you have to appear you have to pay the requisite fees, and obviously your bar council license will also not going to be renewed if you are going the exam after 2 years or within 2 years. So in order to further clarify I request you to kindly stay on this channel and keep watching the videos and subscribing the channel, and please please post your comments that on which topic you require which video and what are the doubts which people are facing, which will be clarified in the further videos which and also it is just your support that I am coming with the new videos each and every day, and obviously I'll be keep doing it with your support. I again request you to kindly press the subscribe button, like button, and watch the entire video, and comment, post your comment for the further notification and also for the new videos. Thank you.